Here we come to the freight elevator at Harrington Tower at Texas A&M University in College Station, Texas. I'm using my phone this time because I need to save memory on my camcorder for future elevator videos for new contents that I've never filmed before. This is an updated take on the vintage Dover from 1972. This thing acted kind of iffy when Andrew filmed this thing. Also, these doors are not as heavy as it was before, so. Is it open? Looks like it's locked on this floor. Yeah, it is. Oh, look at this. They greased it up. Look at this. It's not as heavy as it was before. They actually greased up the elevator doors. Oh, look. They put in a new strap. Cool. But other than that, everything looks the same. Oh, it's not even leveled. Oh, it just re-leveled. All right, we're going to close this up. Oh, it's a little bit heavy closing it. Let's close this gate. See, look, they put in a new strap. This is just exactly the same like I filmed this thing last time. And it looks like they put in a new phone too. I don't remember seeing that phone. That clearly is a new phone. Cool. Anyways, these are your fixtures. All right, let's go on to B. Smell like hydraulic oil. Anyways, these are your Dover traditional black button fixtures. All right, let's go up to D. Here we go. Alright, we're going to end the video here because that door right there, unfortunately, is locked. I can't get it open. And it re-levels. See, look how easy it is to open, but it's a little hard closing it. See, it's a lot easier to open now. One last cab view. That's a strap in the way. Okay, we're going to close this up. I hear a train. Alright, there it goes, and that's it.